Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage my ads on dubizzle. The first thing I want you to do is log into your dubizzle account, and then here at the top you'll see my ads. I want you to go ahead and click on that, and it will show you all your listings across all the categories. So here you can see the motors category. This is under used cars. We have classifieds, we have property for rent, and jobs wanted as well. So any of these you can come here and toggle, for example, different sections like live, drafts, and you can continue with your specific draft here. So you can see you'll have all of them listed, and you can continue posting the ad. What I'll do, I'll come here back to all ads, and I'll show you how you can go ahead and first delete an ad. Let's say the ad was done, right? You have sold the item. To close that ad, you just come here, click on these three dots, click here on delete, and they give you this pop-up saying that once you do this, the ad will be gone forever. It cannot be undone. So click here on delete once you're okay with that, and as you can see, that ad has been deleted. And then you can also go ahead and come here, click on these three dots. You can click on edit. So any live ad, you can make changes to it. So you can come here, click on edit, and once you make your changes, just scroll down here, click on next, and then after that, it will be put back under review, and once they go ahead and review it, it will be live. And that is how to manage my ads on dubizzle.